In this video, I'll learn you how to set up the environment that we are going to use along the way. First of all, I want you to download the code editor, alright? So you're going to type brackets on the Google search engine, and you go to the first one, which is brackets.io, and you're going to click on download brackets, alright? And you're going to install it. And I want to also to download Google Chrome, alright? So if I just go over there, it will take you to this page and you go for personal computers. Okay, basically this is the page that you are going to navigate, and I want you to click on download and install it normally. So these are the two things that you will need. Alright, other than this, I want you to make a new folder and call it my website. Alright, so this is the folder we are going to use. If you go to inside, and we are going to make an image folder. This image folder is what we are going to use later, alright, and you're going to see why I made it later, alright. And this is the place that we are going to use on the next sections, and don't you worry, everything will be easy, alright. So everything here will be what you are going to code and what you are going to work with. So now I want you to go to the next section because it will be awesome section to start this course.